Welcome to Cal Poly Pomona, home of Bronco ASTRA. At ASTRA, we have engineer students are working on guidance, navigation, and control, system, obstacle avoidance, UAV design, payload, and object recognition. And here is our competition team with competent skill sets that will cover every technical aspect needed for the drone to win the competition. 4 major risks as an example of our risk analysis and mitigation processes. A technical issue that we saw last year was losing connection from the drone, despite having modems that have more range than we need. One risk that we're considering as we approach payload drops from the drone is if the parachute opens prematurely. We also look at programmatic risks that could cause delays in our schedule or increases in costs. The ones we've pointed out here are a lack of communication or a broken component. This slide exemplifies some of our mitigation strategies and how they can lower our risk level over time. For the payload risk on the left, we've designed a containment mechanism that is closed in on all sides, and before static tests, we have been shaking the mechanism really hard to simulate what in-flight vibrations might look like during our endurance laps. We also have done many repetitions of deployment tests under various conditions to make sure our mechanism releases only when commanded. And during flight tests, we will always have a pilot on standby to take over and minimize damage if possible. On the right side, we've addressed our broken components risk. Our UAV design team has ensured to design for modularity, including quick disconnect points for rapid maintenance and replacements. We've identified components most likely to fail and most devastating if they were to break and ordered or printed extra of those. These risk cubes simply show our estimated overall risk levels, both before and after our mitigation strategies are implemented.
Good to turn it on.
Yes, this is pilot. My controller is on and is recording. I'm currently in auto mode and ready to fly over.
This is GCS. We are currently recording. Our battery is 24.6 volts. We are currently in auto mode, ready to arm on pilot's call.
Arming.
Armed. The drone is armed.
Any errors? What altitude?
No errors. 13 meters and climbing. 85 amps. 75 amps. On the first waypoint, we're at 32 meters.
What's my current?
70 amps. 65 amps. Waypoint 26, the last waypoint is reached. Going to RTL now.
We'll be fine.
Descending, 25 meters and descending. Drone is disarmed and safe. Let's turn on that OBS recording. Let's save your video, Jacob. Let's get any photos. Let's turn this off. We are good.
Are we got heights? We're going to come. Let's go! Oh my gosh. Let's go. Great job, guys. Way to pull through. Let's go!